As a key Intel partner and a trusted technology solutions provider to our customers, Connection strives to calm the confusion of IT. We work closely with industry-leading manufacturers, including Intel, to deliver innovative solutions and services across all industries, helping our customers deploy the computing power their users need with the simplicity and the manageability their IT departments deserve. In response to the changing needs of today's remote, in-office, and hybrid workforces, Connection recently launched a new solution called Your Wherever Workspace, offering technology bundles customized for specific user personas. Intel AMT enables IT teams to manage their fleet of devices remotely. Teams can connect to a PC even when it's off, schedule maintenance updates, and help users troubleshoot wherever they are. We're excited to support the release of Intel's 13th generation vPro, offering even more power, security, and manageability. These enhancements will help our customers across three critical areas. The first, performance. Workloads are sent to the right thread on the right core based on real-time analysis, with performance cores for heavy applications and efficient cores for multitasking, so users are more productive no matter the task. And Intel's 13th gen processors support Wi-Fi 6E, delivering nearly 3 times faster connectivity than standard Wi-Fi to keep the collaboration flowing at home, in the office, or wherever users work best. Second, security. Intel Hardware Shield is now even stronger, providing protections against the latest threats that extend up and down the stack, where traditional software security cannot reach. And lastly, manageability. With built-in tools that make it easier to keep users productive from virtually anywhere, allowing IT to extend their reach and capabilities when maintaining the fleet. Today's users need the right technology to empower collaboration, communication, and productivity, all backed by the security and support to work confidently from anywhere. Connection is honored to continue our partnership with Intel to deliver on that need with customized solutions that solve our customers' unique IT challenges.